You're watching Luciana. Today I'm back again with an unboxing. Today I have here a big box. This box is called Box of Wonders from Other Stories. I was very curious about the online experience from Other Stories. Please mark me on my words, this is not a sponsored video. I was browsing online and I was looking for some outfits I could wear, and I went to the store. My sizes weren't there and they didn't sell the whole collection they had online, so I decided to go and check out the online store, and I was surprised what I found. I found all my sizes. I found my size 000, so I could purchase them online. But the most amazing part of it, before I show you what I got for myself, is the experience. I got this package within 2 days with everything I was expecting to get. I got my dresses I ordered. I got a package delivered on my doorstep. I didn't have to be at home, but it was very fast and very efficient. I've always been ordering stuff online, but I really sometimes didn't have good experience because I had to wait a very long time. But this packet arrived in 2 days, and with no further ado, let me show you what I got. So this is how it is. I already opened the thing because I was very curious. So this is the box, and here's my address. I won't show you that, and you get your receipt thanking you on what you bought. So this is my receipt, and it describes how many things I bought. I bought 2 dresses, and they are silk dresses in black, and I love the sizes. The fitting were very good, and so these dresses, they came with this, and here are the tags on the dress, and the dresses are size 34, 36, so you can see I love this. Very cute to be looking cute on it, and they come in plastic bags. This too, and you also get a return receipt. If you don't like them, you can always return them. You just have to put the sticker on the box. You don't need any posts, any stamps or anything, and you just return them. Very efficient. The other dress I got is this, which also came in a plastic bag, but I did not. I removed it from the plastic. So this is also one of the long dresses, and with a tie. So I'll be rocking these black metallic dresses for you very soon. This was on sale. I'm very happy that they could really deliver these things on sale. And the box of wonders is going to do wonders in my closet. So stay tuned for more unboxings. That was it, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you soon, and do not forget to check in the description links below to find out what description links that I use to purchase something from